Here we have the brand new Hobbywing Quicrun Fusion brushless system for rock crawler. This is a very innovative system, which is a 2-in-1 motor and speed controller in the volume of the traditional 540 can. So the speed controller is built into the end belt here, and it's a 40 amp speed controller. The motor is a 1800 kV. This is a fantastic innovation by Hobbywing. Something similar was done by, I believe, Orion many years ago, but this is coming now for rock crawler. So this is going to reduce their weight and improve the space management within your crawler. This is only 200 grams, and it does include all the switches and the plugs. Very compact, very effective. It does come with all the innovative Hobbywing systems, which includes the closed loop, intelligent torque, and the FOC. This is designed to increase the runtime, obviously, reduce the noise, and most importantly, improve the low speed smoothness of your rock crawler, which is extremely important. The drag brake is extremely tunable. There's multiple step of adjustment that you can perform. You have included in the kit the traditional Hobbywing program card, which is extremely helpful, which is here. So you can do all your adjustment through this program card. There is a BEC for 6 and 7.4 volts. And one of the most important aspects of this is the waterproofing. This is IP67, which is definitely a very good waterproofing, which means you can run it in dirt and mud, and there should not be any effect on the unit. Few more specifications. So it runs on 203S LiPo, as we said, is a 40 amp speed controller. The diameter of the motor is 36 millimeter by 64 millimeter long for an 18 kV motor. The shaft is a 3.17 millimeter diameter and is about 16 millimeter long. Obviously, it's a 4-pole motor. It does come with all the wiring pre-installed. This is a 14 gauge wiring and an XT60 plug, which is very common these days. Good length on the wire, so if you need to reach your battery at the front of the crawler, perhaps you can go all the way there. There is your switch here. Once again, even this part is fully waterproof, so you need to make sure that your receiver box is also waterproof, so the full system is nice and sealed. All in all, it is a fantastic release, very interesting. We're going to probably have a test run on one of the cars that we are building in a shop in the next few weeks, and then we'll have some further feedback. However, this is a really welcome release. Here is the Hobbywing Quicrun Fusion brushless crawler system 2-in-1, 1800 kV, 40 amp speed controller.